Hello and welcome to Dartmoor. I'm out wild camping once again. It's currently cloudy, although there is some blue sky in front of me, and it's about 22 degrees. And tomorrow's forecast is amazing. It's going to be an amazing day. So hopefully a sunrise in the morning and a sunset tonight will be fantastic. So parked up at the Dartmoor Inn, or behind the Dartmoor Inn, and I'm talking, shh. Oh look, she's looking for Mum. Mum, I found you. So as I was saying, I parked up behind the Dartmoor Inn. I'm going to go for a bit of a walk first of all, and eventually end up on Great Links Tor and set the tent up. As well as walking and camping, I'm hoping to get a little run and a wild swim at some point. Now that would make for a perfect little trip. So I'm currently walking on the Rattlebrook Peat Railway, which is one of the lesser known railway tracks on Dartmoor. The railway was built in 1872 for the Duchy of Cornwall, and it stretched from Bridestone to Rattlebrook, about 7 miles, and the elevation was about 1,000 feet. And in that 7 miles there was only one passing place about halfway along. One passing place, is that it? Yep, one passing place. Imagine that. For example, you're in a country lane and you're driving along, someone's coming towards you, and between you have to find a passing place. Imagine only one space to pass in a 7 mile stretch. Oh my goodness, and we complain these days. So I've come off the Rattlebrook Railway now and come up here. My destination is Great Links Tor up there, but we're heading this way, up past these cows, a bit of a loop first of all. Let's go. So check the Dartmoor firing range to make sure they were not firing today, because I had planned somewhere different. But they are firing today and tomorrow, hence the reason I'm here, somewhere which I've been to for a run, but while camping it's a brand new experience again. Come on then, it's me against you. Do you feel lucky, punk? So now approaching Great Links Tor, and I can see a couple of guys up there with backpacks on, so I'm not sure if they're going to be camping there as well, so we'll find out in a minute. That's the tent all set up. Now it's time for a run and maybe a swim as well. Coming up to Arms Tor now. So I've just left Great Links Tor, currently on Arms Tor now, and heading next to, this is Brat Tor, and Widgery Cross on top of it. Going around Brat Tor and eventually to a swim spot, hopefully. Wow, wow, wow. I enjoyed that. I really enjoyed that. It's so fresh now as well. Now we've got to climb back up again now. All the way back up again. 2 miles down, that was all. 2 miles back uphill. It was nice downhill from the camp down to where I went for a swim But now, my God, this is uphill. Up to Widgery Cross up the top there, which sits on top of Brat Tor. Oh my goodness. So I've been chatting to two other guys who are also camping here, Dave and Ian. If you're watching this, it's nice to meet you both. They're camping on the other side of this tour. And down the bottom here, there's also somebody else camping. So it's a busy place tonight. Wow, what a cracking evening it's been. So a walk, put a tent up, a run, swim, back for a nice can of cider and something to eat. A nice cuppa to finish off the night. It's been a cracking evening, it really has. It's no sunset unfortunately, but it's a lovely clear evening to watch. And the views are fantastic. So I'm heading off to bed in a minute, so good night and I'll speak to you in the morning. Cheers. Good morning from Dartmoor. What a cracking morning it is. The sun is shining. It's going to be a beautiful day. The most important thing in the morning is my coffee, and it's on its way. Let me show you my camp for the night. So here is where I slept. Perfect little spot underneath Great Links Tor. Sheltered from the wind from the tour. If I walk up a bit further here, you'll feel the wind, or you'll hear the wind coming through the gap. I don't know if you hear on camera, you should hear that now. And my view this morning when I woke up to the sunshine was Yes Tor and High Will Haze. Yes Tor being the highest tor on Dartmoor, and High Will Haze next to it being the highest point on Dartmoor, just slightly taller. But what a cracking view to wake up to. That's me, all packed up and ready to go. Just have one last sweep, make sure there's nothing left behind. Absolutely nothing. You would never know being here. Leave no trace. Sunshine on Dartmoor. I'm back on Arms Tour again now, heading to Widgery Cross for a nice cup of coffee. The amazing Widgery Cross, standing proud on top of Brat Tor. The cross was actually built in 1887 by William Widgery, and it was built to commemorate the Queen Victoria 50th Jubilee anniversary. Fantastic view, coffee with a view, amazing. Wow, another fantastic evening on Dartmoor. Wild camping is awesome. Last night, the icing on the cake was going for a run and a swim and then back for something to eat and a drink. Oh my goodness. Do you think I enjoyed it? You bet I did. This is Dartmoor Runner, signing off from Dartmoor. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.